For this demonstration today, we're going to be working on creating a GIF or a GIF in Photopea. So by this step, hopefully you have created individual PNGs of your project, your individual stills, and this is going to be how to assemble those together. So overall, the first thing you'll be doing is going to File, Open, and Place, where you're adding all of your individual files together. And so that they're all going to be stacked up on top of each other on your right side here under Layers. Again, keeping them in order so that they appear in the right combination, so your GIF or your GIF plays in the correct order. So you can turn them on. You can see this one here. So if you are in Graphic Design 1, you should have 15 individual frames at least. If you're in Graphic Design 2, you should have 30 frames at least. And again, making sure each frame will run smoothly together is the idea, so make sure they're in the right order, and labeling them is very important. So the next thing you want to do is, once you have them all gathered together, make sure they're all visible and in the correct order. You're going to go to File, you're going to Export As, and you're going to choose GIF or GIF. When you select this, hit OK. Give this little pop-up window a little preview of what it looks like. These are the combinations of height and width. You can adjust these to whatever you need. Quality, leave it 100, but you could speed it up if you want, or slow it down depending on what you need. It might not show it in the actual preview window here, but when you save it, here you go, it's speeding up, so you can get a better idea of how fast the GIF will turn, like will restart itself. So we'll hit save, and it is just downloaded to our computer. So we'll do that one more time. So here's another one. This one has a lot more frames. So make sure you're turning all the frames on. There you go. So we'll go to File, Export As, GIF. So maybe that's a little too fast for our demo. Slow it down. Sort of feel like it's more in like real time. That looks pretty good. So we'll hit save, and we also have that downloaded as well. So once you have both these, this is what you'll be turning in for the assignment. You'll be turning in the GIF file so it will run as an animation. Make sure you turn these in, as well as a couple stills of your actual animation separated, so it's not all individually, all just in one GIF. So you should just have some stills or screenshots of your individual step-by-step project.